Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solution. Today we are going to discuss about the questionnaires template and the performance management, how we can create the questionnaires template. So let's just start today's tutorial. So all questionnaires are based on the templates which promote consistency. When creating a questionnaires, you must select a template on which to base the questionnaires. The template can provide default setting or enforce mandatory requirements such as the specific section and question that must be in all questionnaires created using the template. And you can configure templates for specific applications, journal audience such as the entire organization or all internal customers, targeted audience such as a particular role, just like the manager, and a specific purpose such as the providing feedback for performance evaluation periods or rate worker create potential in an assessment for a talent review. Okay, and you can create questionnaires only from the template that were created for the same subscriber as the questionnaires. Okay, so now let's move to the application and see how we can create the questionnaires template in the application. Okay, so here login as a HR specialist. Okay, so there is a two-way to go to the questionnaires template. First, we have to go to the My Client group and then go to the Performance app. And in the setup maintenance, you can see here the questionnaires template, right? If you just click on it, so it's standard with the configuration page. From here, you can create. Okay. The another way is you have to go to the home page first. Okay, and under the My Client group, you have to scroll down and click on the Show More option. And from here, you have to find the talent. Okay, here you can see. And here also, we can create the questionnaires template. Here you can see this is the questionnaires template. If I just click on it, the same page appear here. For creating new one, we have to just click on the create option. Okay, the questionnaire template ID is already populated here. If you want to change it, you can change here. You can edit this. Okay, let's give the name first. Let's say Fusion Performance Questionnaire template. Okay, and here you can see the subscriber. So it says specify which business process can use this template or questionnaire made from it. Okay, so here the performance 360 it already selected. If not, select the performance 360, and in the status select the active. Okay, and in the privacy you can select the public here. So select private to permit only the owner to update the questionnaire template, and public to permit anyone with the access to update it. So I'm going to select the public here. Okay, if not selected previously, then select the public here. Okay, here we have to fill some description of this template. Let's say use this template for questionnaires added to performance document. Okay. And in the instructor and help material option, allow changes to instruction. Select this, check this box on. Okay. And in the instruction field, here we can fill the instruction, just like, let's say, please answer all question in this questionnaires. Okay. Now we have to just click on the next here. On the create question template content page from the section order drop down list, select the sequential if not already selected here. So select sequential to display the section in the order you specify, and select the random to change the section order whenever the questionnaire exists. Okay, so for now I'm just going to select the sequential here. And from the section presentation drop down list, select the stack reason if not already selected here. So select no section to display all the questions within the one required section, and select the stack reason to include all section on the one page. Okay, so for now I'm just going to select the stack reason here. Okay, so here we are going to select the allow changes to format option. We are going to enable it, and select the allow to the sections also, allow changes to the section also. So we are also going to allow this one. So it's permit changes in the section in questionnaires when creating them from this template. Okay. And from the allow response type drop down list, select all here. Okay. If not already selected. So you can select here all types, all response types. Okay, so let's format the first section here. In the section, select the row for the section field first, and leave allow additional question deselected here. Okay, and then on the section, just click on the edit. Okay, so in the edit section dialog box, in the title field, delete one and enter the team contribution and responsibility. Okay. Or we can say responsibilities. Okay, so now in the description, we have to also fill some text here. So let's say this section contains questions to allow respondents to enter their opinions about an individual's contribution to the team. Okay. Okay, and here in the instruction field, let's enter some text here also. Let's say describe contribution you think this person has made. Uh, to the team over the past year. Okay. Okay, so now on the question order drop down list, select the vertical if not already selected. So select the vertical to display question in the order you specify, and also select the random to change the order in which order question appear when questionnaire is accessed. Okay, now let's click OK here. Okay, so now in the question order drop down list, for the team contribution and responsibilities, select the vertical. Okay, if not already selected. And from the response order drop-down list for the team contribution and responsibility, select the vertical if not already selected here. Okay, so ensure that the team contribution and responsibilities section is still selected so that you can add question for this section. Okay, and now just scroll down to the team contribution responsibilities section is still selected. Here you can see that. Okay. So here you can add your questions. You can just click on the add. Let's click on add. Okay. And let's search for the described person's age here. Now let's click on OK to add this question here. Now let's format the second section. Select the allow additional question here if not already selected, and select this second title and just click on the edit option. In the edit section, let's delete this. Okay, and here we have to give the title name. Let's say rate performance. Okay, and in the in the description also we have to add some text here. Let's say this section contains questions with rating models to allow respondents to select ratings. Now let's add some text to the instruction field, introduction field. And here let's fill rate this person's performance over the past year. Okay. And now let's just click OK here. Here in the question order, select the vertical if not already selected. And from the response order dropdown, let's select the vertical if not already selected. Okay. And here also select the required option. So ensure that the person performance section is still selected so that you can add the question for this section. Now just scroll down and click on the add questions. Okay. Let's remove this. Okay, let's search for the question. Okay, let's select this one. And here let's select the radio button list in the response type drop-down list. Okay, and now let's click on the next and review the information you just filled here for the questionnaires template, the name, the owner, the description, the introduction, right? The contents, the section, what are the rate performance. Okay, so you can see here. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to just click on the save and close. So now we got our confirmation for this task. So I hope this is clear to you how you can create your questionnaires template. So thank you so much for watching the video.